Making room for gratitude. Hello and welcome to this gratitude meditation. Gratitude is an emotion that arises when we express appreciation. It's important to pause, take a breath, and create some space for this wonderful emotion. Go ahead and sit or lie down and make any adjustments necessary to make sure you're as comfortable as possible. As you settle in, give your body permission to relax. Closing your eyes, allowing your limbs to lie limply, your shoulders to drop, your mouth to part, your hips to settle. Now begin to connect with your breath. Simply noticing the rhythm of your breathing as you inhale and exhale. As you observe, you may feel that you need to change your breathing. Don't worry about that for now. Simply keep your awareness on your breath. Now let's bring more air into the lungs, breathing more deeply now, pulling the air to the very bottom of your lungs. And exhale very slowly, completely emptying the lungs. Again, inhale deeply. And exhale slowly. As you continue to deepen and lengthen your breath, begin to bring gratitude into your awareness. How does it feel to be grateful? What is it like to express your appreciation? With your next inhale, breathe in gratitude. Imagine it flowing throughout your entire body. And as you exhale, breathe appreciation out into your surroundings, letting it touch everything around you. Gratitude in and gratitude out. Bring it deep into your body and let it flow effortlessly from your heart. If your thoughts should wander, bring them back to the breath. Once again, visualizing gratitude coming into the body with the inhales and flowing out of the body with the exhales, expressing gratitude for each breath as well. Now let's deepen this experience by adding some pauses to the breath. Let's find some stillness between the inhales and the exhales. First, simply notice the small pause at the top of the breath after the inhale and the pauses at the bottom of the breath after the exhale. After your next deep inhale, hold the breath for a few moments, staying with the stillness. Pause before inhaling again, feeling the fullness of the lungs. I will count and guide you as you breathe, extending the pauses even further. So, inhale, pause, exhale, and pause. Let's go deeper now. Inhale, exhale, pause, and again inhale, pause, exhale, pause, inhale, pause, exhale, pause. Continue to practice this breathing method, finding gratitude for each breath and the stillness in between them. Throughout our busy lives, we don't often get the chance to find stillness. With a relaxed body and a calm mind, it's easier to let gratitude in. Simply breathe and experience this wonderful sensation of appreciation. read and express it, letting gratitude wrap around you like a warm blanket, comfortable, relaxed, and grateful. Now allow your breath to return to a more natural state. Easy inhales, easy exhales. Open your eyes with your next inhale and return to your surroundings feeling wide awake now, energized and grateful for this gratitude practice.